If you want this preset and more high quality presets like this, then make sure to check out my future RAVE Essentials SOUNDBANK for SERUM, which comes with tons of high quality presets and bonuses. To begin with, select Stmpd or wavetable in oscillator A. Add 9 voices of unison and reduce the detune to 0.14. Also reduce the blend. Next, shape envelope 1 to something like this. And route it to the level of the noise. Next, shape LFO1 to something like this. And route it to the level of oscillator A. Next, add a filter with low 24 settings. And route LFO1 to the cutoff. For the FX, add hyper and dimension. Compression. And a low cut EQ. Magic Stereo for stereo separation. Valhalla Room reverb on the send channel. And a low cut EQ.